Hello everyone, welcome to technologyglance. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to post moments on BuzzCast. Make sure to watch the whole video to learn how. Let's begin. First, open up BuzzCast on your mobile device. Tap on the zero icon at the bottom of your screen. Now tap on the Santa Claus button. Select Moments. Tap on I got it to agree with the terms and conditions. Now you can go ahead and type in anything of your choice. Once you are done typing in your moment, tap on the arrow button at the top right of your screen. And that's it. Now you have successfully posted a moment on BuzzCast. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please click the thumbs up button. If you have any questions or thoughts, type them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates. Click the bell icon too so you'll know when we post a new video. We'll be back with another video soon. Thanks for watching.